Hello everyone, in this demo I want to walk you through how we're using an AI-powered performance marketing agent to simplify marketing workflows. Today most teams are relying heavily on dashboards to understand and analyze their data, and on average you're spending about 30 minutes every single day digging through performance metrics, trying to uncover insights that aren't always obvious. So what we've built instead is a conversational analytics layer, and this allows you to simply ask questions and instantly receive clear, actionable insights. So to get started, all you have to do is navigate to the home page, and then click on Agents, and we can then select the Performance Marketing Analyst. Once inside, you can begin asking questions right away. So I already have a thread that's created, and for example here I've asked, where example am I using losers in the funnel? Analyze for each media source and create widgets as well. What's powerful here is that the agent doesn't just respond with text, it automatically generates full funnel visualizations, heat maps, and color-coded KPIs, and this gives you complete view in one place. Beyond insights, the agent also provides clear recommendations. It tells you what campaigns that you can scale immediately and what to pause, so you can take action without additional analysis. Now let's take a quick look at how this agent was created. If I head over to Explore, pull up this agent again, and then click Edit, inside you can see that we've provided business context directly into the agent's prompt. We've also connected a workbook MCP from DataGOL, allowing the agent to access campaign performance marketing data and other key datasets. This setup enables the agent to deliver accurate, context-aware insights tailored to your business. We can further customize this based on your specific use case or data setup, so just reach out to us and we can discuss a solution. Thanks.